Hi, I'm Mary Palumba, co-founder with Maurizio Palumbo of NextStyler, a new and exclusive fashion brand created by emerging fashion designers and directly chosen by its customers. Nowadays, we are looking at a reversal of the collective taste. The future fashion trends are going back to essential and simplicity. So that's the right moment for NextStyler, because now luxury is the new luxury, affordable but exclusive at the same time. NextStyler will solve two different problems. Firstly, you have the fashion designers who are always in search to come into the fashion business with several difficulties. On the other hand, you have the fashion addicted who are always in search of exclusive clothes to wear. NextStyler will offer to both of them a marketplace, a worldwide showcase for emerging fashion designers, and a new shopping experience for the fashion addicted. Let's take a look at how the site works for fashion designers. NextStyler will arrange some contests inspired by the current fashion trends. The fashion designer will participate to the site by uploading their designs, and then the community will vote for them. The best rated one will be produced by us through partnership, and then they will be sold on NextStyler's online shop. The winning designer will get a revenue share from the sold item, of course. Regarding the fashion addicted, they will participate to the site by voting, sharing, and finally buying the clothes they prefer. Here are how NextStyler process works. Firstly, you have the community that will create and choose the collections. And then there are two outsourcing partners of NextStyler for manufacturing and for shipping. Our business model is the online sale of fashion collections created by emerging fashion designers and directly chosen by its customer, then produced by us through partnership. NextStyler will carry ready-to-wear women collection. We partnered with Italian manufacturing companies, so all NextStyler garments will be solely made in Italy. For the future, we are also planning to do collections for men, kids, and finally extra larger sizes. Here are our marketing strategy. We planned an offline and online campaigns to reach our target. Last May, we've been selected by Labs by Luigi Capello and received from them a microseed. Then we are actually online with our beta version that we are testing with hundreds of users. We are online with our first contest that finished last week. And we did a special covenant with our manufacturing partners to produce in small quantities. We have a blog, source of inspiration for fashion designers. We are on the main social networks. Actually, the 60% of European people buy online, and there will be an increment of the 10% for the coming 4 years. Regarding the fashion online sales, they have had a strong growth in June 2011, with an increment of the 31% on June 2010. So we're talking about a market in large expansion and continuous growth. NextStyler competitors are all e-commerce dedicated to emerging fashion designers like Fashion Second Fabric, and then there is Look, a site dedicated to upcoming fashion designers to show and feedback their sketches. But they will be different from our project because they want to create a brand with a strong identity, and moreover, all our competitors won't be made in Italy and won't be multilingual. So NextStyler's advantages are collection created by co-creation with exclusive design, solely made in Italy at affordable prices, and produced in small quantities thanks to a covenant with our partners. The team consists of Maurizio Palumbo and me, and we worked together in communication for fashion for 5 years. Some months ago, Gianmarco Carnovale, senior entrepreneur, joined the team like advisor. Here are our financials. These are our goals. To make them become true, we need some investors that believe in our idea and would like to support us in our growth path. NextStyler, we need 400,000 euros to get the business off the ground within the next 18 months. We will use the 50% for marketing expenses, the 25% of investment for operation costs, and the other 25% for human resources. Our motto is, let's start your fashion brand together, but I like to end it by saying, let's start our fashion business together. Thank you for listening.
Sharp on time, so great.
Thank you.
So, who's first? Maurizio.
Can you tell us a little bit more about your just-in-time production? Because I'm not clear
Yes, of course.
how many lots you do
Yes,
and who's
yes.
going to finance the production.
Okay. Yes. First of all our production will be based on the customer's preferences. So we will have a data to give the to do the right items, to produce the right items. And then we already did a covenant with some Italian manufacturing companies that will produce for us without any problems of quantities. That is from one item to 300, 3,000, it doesn't matter. Without any changes of price, of course. It was difficult, but we did. Yes.
Other questions? Davide Turco, Atlante Ventures.
Hi.
Can you please tell us something more about how does it work, the decision process on this decision process about how many items to produce? How does it work? If an item is voted from the community, then it's automatically produced. In how many? Yeah. Do you expect orders to start the production, or you have the risk of having a stock that has to be sold?
Okay. Actually, we are studying and preparing a system to let our customers to pre-order the items, so we can calibrate the production on this date. And then after the contest, after all the votes, we decide to produce an item, obviously if it's really producible, because maybe a sketch can be can have many votes, but couldn't be produced. So we do some tests before, and then produce them on the quantity of the vote it received.
Can you clarify whether you have put some reserves for unsold inventory, meaning in your figures, is there any allocation, money allocation for that risk?
Yes, we thought about this, but as I already told, the risk is minimum, because we produce on the request of our customers. And we also thought about sales, periodical sales with discounts, but always keeping a minimum of margin for the sales, on the sales, sorry.
No figure.
Sorry?
No numbers yet.
No, not yet. We are testing, okay.
Other questions? We have two down there. We can open the floor to some question. There.
Hello, I'm a startup as well, so I'm not a venture capitalist or whatever. My question is, how would you ensure quality control?
Yes. Okay. Our partners have been selected by us with a criterion of quality, because, for example, they produce for big Italian manufacturing companies and for big fashion brands, like, for example, Ferré. And so it means that to be high quality standards, and we are also thinking about of giving a certification about this. Okay, so we will give to our customers the guarantee that they have been producing in Italy.
Other questions? 1 and 2.
Do I go first? Okay.
So
my question is it's about the returns. So in fashion, one of the main problems in e-commerce is like returns, because you see something online and then it doesn't fit properly. So how do you handle that, and how do you handle that inventory on returns and the shipping that goes around it?
Yes. Firstly, we thought we are already preparing a guide for the scientists to give to us customers with several details. And this could seem a problem, but if you think that the most important e-commerce in the world is, the most big is ASOS.com, that it is an e-commerce of fashion, and it sells only online without any point of purchase. So people actually are used to buy online. They know how to. Okay.
Okay. One final question from the floor and one from Twitter.
Me?
Yeah, I know.
Hi, I'm Vito.
Hi.
I'm curious about your first sale. I understand you didn't have your first sale yet. Now.
No, not yet.
Yeah. What's the plan? Now you have a competition running on your site already?
Yes, it's closed. The first one is closed just 2 days ago, and actually it's online the second contest. And in the end of November, we will sell the first clothes.
So you do have already an expectation of revenue from that sale?
Yes, we are based on the preferences of the customers gave to the sketches. So more or less, we got them.
She won't tell
You're
you.
welcome.
The last question from Twitter.
Yes, there is a question from Eta, who appreciated your presentation very much, but asks, what about the timing? If you buy a dress, I want it for that moment, not in 4 months.
Yes, of course. We are working to keep the shortest time to ship the items to our customers. So we are working on it. That we know that it could be a problem if the customer will wait too long. So we are working.
Thank you.
You're welcome.